Alright, dude, you got a warrant for your arrest because you fought with a law enforcement officer and you had a court date and you never showed up to the court date.
I got a court date.
You had cocaine on you, you had paraphernalia on you, you had marijuana on you. Yep, so you didn't go to court, so you got a warrant for your arrest.
No, I had a court date.
Either stand up or I'm going to place you.
I'm standing up.
Just drop that down. We'll give your bottle of water back.
Okay. Well, what court date it had?
I'm not.
Come on.
Okay. We can talk about this.
Okay, come on.
I'm not calling anybody. Stand up.
Okay, come on.
Can you stand or not?
I can stand. But
you can't stand?
What court date? Okay, come on.
You can talk to a lawyer when you're in jail.
No, jail for what? What I did?
I already told you you have a warrant for your arrest.
What do I have, sir?
I already told you.
What?
You fought with. You've got 5 warrants.
No.
Listen. Okay.
Come on, sir. Okay, I got a problem. I'm gonna get up. Yeah,
if he doesn't, I'm gonna take him.
I'm gonna get up.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Okay. Stand up.
Okay.
Bring your legs in. Bring your legs in.
Hey, okay,
No, come on.
Stand up.
Okay. What I did? Stand.
Stand?
No, I can't stand.
You just told me you could walk.
You just
No, I can't walk. Okay. Stand up.
Stand up.
Stand
Are
up.
you gonna stand
Hey,
up?
bro. Yeah, I ain't really. Hey, bro. Call my mama. I ain't doing nothing wrong. I ain't really.
Go down to the ground then.
Okay.
If you can't stand up, go to the ground.
What I did.
Go to the ground.
What I did. What my wrist?
Oh, you're walking. That's fine.
Yeah. What I did wrong.
Come on.
Are you gonna walk or not?
Yeah, I'm walking. What I did wrong though?
I told you you have a warrant for your arrest.
One for my foot.
All right,
What I did?
Stop.
What I did?
Stop.
You
You have a warrant for your arrest.
For what?
Stop resisting,
For what?
or you're gonna get tased.
I asked you a question.
I already told you you have a warrant for your arrest.
What
You're
arrest
making
for
this a
what?
lot harder.
Arrest for what?
You're about to get tased.
Arrest for what?
Stop. You're gonna get
I did
tased.
nothing wrong.
You have a warrant for your arrest.
A warrant for my arrest. Arrest for what?
Hold on a second. Nope.
Arrest for what? A warrant for what? Call the captain. Arrest. I don't have no warrant. I ain't did nothing wrong. I got no warrant. I don't have no warrant. Yes, ma'am. I ain't got no problem. I ain't over here. I ain't bucking, man.
All right, stand up.
Right here.
Put your hands behind your back.
Put
your hands behind your back.
What I did wrong?
Put your hands behind your back.
Behind your back.
Yes, sir. What I did? Y'all was telling me. What y'all doing?
You're gonna get tased. Put your hands behind your back. You're gonna get tased. Stop.
What I did, though? What I did?
Get your hands behind your back.
Please, can I talk? Can we talk, please? Can we talk? Can we talk? Can you call my mama? Call my mama, please.
Stop.
Yeah, what I did?
Stop.
I ain't even resisted, sir.
Stop. Yes, you are. Put your hand behind your back.
Okay, what's going on, though? Put
Put your hand behind your back.
Okay,
Put it behind your back.
Okay, what's it? Please, I ain't did nothing wrong. I ain't did nothing wrong.
Put your hand behind your back.
Where I go? Okay, I'll put my hand behind my back.
Do it then.
Put your hand behind your back.
Why I do that? What I did, I'm not resisting. Please. Okay, I'm not resisting.